Guys, it's a miracle. It's amazing. Okay, let me show you. Look, underneath my Christmas tree, I found these things. Oh my god, what are these? Are these computer parts? Oh my god, that must be Santa Claus doing. My mother sure didn't pay for this. I'm so happy, guys. This is a blessing from Kim Jong-un. I've gotta take this off someday. My landlord is coming here in a few days. I've gotta hide this one and this one. Now I can finally upgrade my computer, because I don't know if I told you, but I got my motherboard and processor second hand, and they were made in 2011. When editing videos I have like 10 FPS and I can feel the lag spikes piercing through my ass. So here is what happened. I summoned 3 Oompa Loompas to do the job for me. We had some problems taking the old parts off because they were pretty old and junky, but eventually we managed to get rid of all the old parts and install the new ones. Here is a tiny little montage of my goblins trying to install the new parts while I sit and wait. Long story short, it didn't fucking work. Let me show you. We placed these 2 RAMs in the wrong place and we had a typical Windows moment. The motherboard could not read the SSD or some shit, so unfortunately I've gotta format my computer, download Windows again, download all my programs again. I lost a couple of files and yeah. Also, this thing fell down from my computer. I don't know if this is important. Let me know in the comments below. Merry Christmas, you wonderful bastard!